Hi, Tracy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the Nearpod and how to add it to your Schoology. I sent you this Google Slides earlier this week. If not, for some reason, let me know. I'll send it to you. This is what we know, what I used on Monday for the intro to dialogue. From Google Slides, you're going to access the Nearpod add-on. Okay, so let's just say that you like this slideshow, you like what's in it, and you want to use it as it is. If that's the case, you'll open up the slideshow from Google Slides, click on these add-ons up here in the toolbar, Nearpod, open Nearpod, and then you're going to do, I think it'll prompt you to log in with your credentials. If you haven't already, it's your NISD email address. And then you're going to click Save and go to Nearpod. And this is going to take you to your Nearpod where it's going to save it in your own Nearpod. So once it's saved, you're going to go to your Schoology, and it's really easy to add it in Schoology. Let me go into this section. I'm going to delete this really quick. Okay, when I go into my Schoology, I want to add it in Monday's folder, right? So I'll open Monday. Oops, I already have it here. Let me delete. Okay, and then you're going to click on Add Materials, and you will have this option to access Nearpod right from here. So I just click on Nearpod. I find the lesson that I'm looking for, and then I will add the live participation. And I also usually add the student paste as well. And then you see the student paste you can add as well. So I don't know if you've used this or not yet, but what I like about the live lesson is it gives that opportunity for, class collaboration that you don't really get as much in the virtual setting. When I access it straight through Schoology. So this is how I'll start it to present it. You'll see the participants right here who's logging in to participate or access the slides. All students can see it in the Zoom. You'll just see the ones that are going to actually actively participate. And I just tell them to log in. The students access it the same way. They access it straight from their Schoology folder. In Nearpod, you have the option to, if you go into your settings, which is up here, lesson settings. This is the only one that I looked at. I didn't pay attention to all the other ones. I think they were all on, but this one wasn't on. It says enable student names to autofill. So that way when they open the Nearpod assignment, their names will automatically populate, and all they have to click is join lesson, and it'll have their names there. Okay. So again, I present it straight here from Schoology. I take them through the slides. If it's a collaboration board, it gives me the option to approve comments before they're posted, depending on how you like to conduct this. I usually don't approve them. I just kind of wait for them to pop up. And then if you decide to approve them, there'll be a little icon up here that starts to flash orange, and you'll have the option to approve it before it posts. But since I'm sharing my screen, they can see it anyways. So that's just something to think about for your own presentation style. So I'll take them through. If there's a video like here, okay, it gives me the option to launch the video for them and show them the video. And then I can allow teacher to play or students to play. And I usually do teacher play because I'm presenting it to them in that moment in the live mode. Now in the student version, they will have the option to do it on their own. Okay. So that is how you add the Nearpod. Now let's say that you decide, you want to change some things around that you're not, you need to edit it to fit your needs. You're going to do the same thing. Open up the Google Slides that I sent, the presentation. You go to, the same way, add-ons, Nearpod, open Nearpod. And let's say you decide, you don't want to show the video in the Nearpod. You want to do it something different. You just go to edit this lesson, edit this slide. And then you have the option to, cancel or delete the video or do whatever you need to do to make it your own. The Google Slides part of it works just like Google Slides. The only thing that Nearpod does different is it adds its own slides depending upon what you want to incorporate, whether it's any of these icons here on the right-hand side. And it'll just insert a new slide for you. You can delete slides. Let's say you didn't like this one and you decided that, we don't need that. Take it out and it's done. Okay. So that's how you would edit one of these Nearpod presentations to customize it, make it your own. And then you do the same thing, just save, go to Nearpod, and then you have it there to access and add, just like I showed you here just a minute ago. Hey, I hope that helps. If you need anything else, I'm happy to make more videos or to even go show you if you need help or you want to use it. Just let me know. I'm happy to help in any way I can. Bye.